अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, इट्स मी कायनात और मेरे साथ हैं
ज़करिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे, मजे
तो
में होंगे।
हम भी खैरियत से हैं। तो आज की वीडियो हमारी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि हानिया में गई थी बांग्लादेश, तो बांग्लादेश के उन्होंने स्ट्रीट फूड जो है ना ट्राई किया था और लिटिल बिट हमने वहाँ की हिस्ट्री द पिंक पैलेस को भी जो है ना कवर किया था। तो जो भी लोग जिन व्लॉगर ने वो कवर अप किया था वो व्लॉग, और उन्हीं का ही सेकंड व्लॉग है जो कि बांग्लादेश में बहुत फेमस है, रफ्सान द छोटू भाई। अरे बहुत जबरदस्त व्लॉग्स हैं इनके, बहुत जबरदस्त है। तो आज उन्हीं का ही एक और व्लॉग है जिनके घर में हानिया आमे इनवाइटेड है खाने पर। स्ट्रीट फूड तो हमने देख ही लिया,
घर भी देखते हैं
और घर का जो है ना वो डिशेस भी देखते हैं कि बांग्लादेश की मेहमान नवाजी,
बहुत ज्यादा मेहमान नवाज होते हैं, मैंने सुना है। देखते
हाँ,
हैं फिर
पाकिस्तानी तो हैंगे। आज बांग्लादेश
चले चले। हाँ
तो आज बांग्लादेश के देखते हैं कि मेहमान नवाजी की घर की मेहमान नवाजी कैसी है और क्या क्या डिशेस है वो अभी एक्सप्लोर करते हैं आपके साथ।
जाया किया, चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। Let's go,
Hania
guys.
Amir in front of my house.
Hi. Assalamualaikum.
Thanks for coming to our house.
Thanks for having me.
Awkward. To find out if my mother can cook or not.
Whoa!
And to make things more awkward, my mom invited her to the kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, you what?
Yeah.
Really?
And she started
Assalamualaikum.
flexing.
Turkish kebab. Yes. Okay. Ooh, love the sound of that.
Oh, you can ask your friends to join as well.
Yeah.
To eat, yeah.
Mavi.
Damn, I wish I had friends.
What?
Just saying.
Hey, we're friends. Yeah.
Really?
He's like, really? Cool. What is this?
This? Wait. It's achar. It's like pickle.
Pickle है।
Yeah.
इमली है।
I think I'm just like you. It's mango.
मैंगो।
Please tell her to come sit now.
What? Oh, Amo. Bosho.
She's cooler than you.
Why?
Your mom.
Why?
Because she just is.
Why?
Naturally, she just is.
You wanna have more each?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it.
You guys are gonna everyone. The entire thing.
Cheers, 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 guys. Oh my goodness.
मोरिच।
I don't even have water.
Oh, that's spicy.
Mavi, you took the tiniest
Cheers,
bite
cheers.
ever.
Wait, I'm like the only one who ate.
Oh, you ate the entire.
I thought everyone's gonna eat.
I'll eat a little more for you.
You have a bit more?
ओह सारा खा लिया।
A few moments later.
It's not.
मजे मजे में मैं कर जाती हूँ गलत चीजें. Thank you so much.
You want more?
I'm good. This is good.
This is good.
This is good.
Do you like it? You can be honest.
I am
Sorry,
honest,
you would
unlike
get it.
you.
I am always really honest.
Now that we become friends, what was my first impression?
Mine on you.
No, mine on you. I've asked the question.
Okay.
Do you not know what it is like to be on the receiving end of questions?
Being honest, there's one part I really liked.
About Hania?
Yeah. It was a big room. You went up to everyone and shake their hands. So yeah, I don't know. It's really nice of you.
People don't shake hands.
No, like down to earth, you know.
Aw.
Yeah.
I thought you were sweet.
Oh, thank you.
I thought you were sweet, and I knew that, like I said in the earlier video, that you're gonna be super loud on camera.
ओह
You had this silent confidence about you.
Really?
Yeah. I love it.
Thank you.
The confidence, also the food.
ओह, शर्मा गया बच्चा।
Did you like it? Yeah. You liked it?
I couldn't understand the language, but yeah, they were cool.
Oh, you want fish?
Yes, please.
Did you try Hilsha fish before?
No, I haven't.
This is the king of all fishes.
Really?
Yeah. This one? Yeah, this one.
Fish भी है।
So we export this everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. You like the food?
I love the
Bangladeshi
food.
ढाबा ढाबा
I wish I
fish
knew
ना।
Bangla. I would like fully chat with your mom right now, complaining about you.
Oh, she already does that.
उर्दू में बात करें.
Yes, yeah.
आपने समझ आती है उर्दू?
Computer
आपका
है,
बेटा
बैंक के
बहुत
बारे में।
अच्छा है.
यस
It's amazing.
यस।
Very sweet and very down to earth and very welcoming, very warm. Alhamdulillah, mashallah,
Alhamdulillah,
mashallah.
What were your first thoughts about Bangladesh when you just got down?
It looks just like
Just close to
Just
home.
like-
Yeah,
Oh, and
yeah, it's
very beautiful. Love the food.
can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Like on your Instagram bio,
Oh my God.
it
What?
says Pindi Boy. What does it mean?
Pindi's a city.
Really?
Pindi boys over there, they're known for being extremely cool in their own way. So, but you'll have to come down to Pakistan to actually understand the essence of it.
Huh?
What are you thinking?
Oh no, I'm thinking about going to
You know, when
Pakistan.
somebody's talking to you, you can talk back.
Oh yeah. I like this thing. Okay.
Yeah.
No. It's just my mom was leaving. Anything. That's the best part about parents. Till we don't.
Oh.
Worried about you, man.
Honestly, I didn't sleep yet, but yeah.
Does anyone know what he's saying?
No? No?
Like somewhat, we have to guess. You're like a toddler. Like, you know, you say half words and then we have to like make a sentence up in our heads.
Makes sense.
Oh.
Oh. What food did you guys like the most till now in Bangladesh?
I think I'm about to really like the Shami kebab. Nope.
Kebab है ना?
Shami kebab बहुत अच्छा है. Thank you for this. What do you like the most?
Me? Thing I love the most is tehari.
Thank
अच्छा
you.
माँ को भी आता है.
हाँ,
Shami
समझ
kebab
आता है वो.
Really?
Wins. Can you put some chicken for me, Maya?
Yeah, for sure. You want a
Yes, please.
drumstick? Yeah. You want more rice?
No, I'm good.
You're
Thank you. I don't like the fact that I asked you what did you think of me when you first met me and you just gave like a one.
Oh, okay.
thing.
You want? Okay, wait.
What did you think of me when you first met me?
I'm gonna be super honest, okay? So my friends came up to me and they were like, "How is she? How is she? How is she? How is she?"
Yeah. How was I?
I think you're like an extrovert, right?
I'm an extrovert?
Yeah, like a super extrovert. Also with humor.
Social anxiety is scared of me.
Yeah, and
Okay.
now I know how you're so good at what you do. No?
I'm
Is it
waiting for him to
weird?
make sense of all of these sentences.
It's true.
Say a sentence and then,
She'll translate it.
yeah.
Okay. You're an extrovert
I'm an extrovert.
and you have a bubbly personality, right? Pretty cool.
Thanks.
Are you short-tempered? No. No.
Are you face reading?
How can you ask a guy? Like I'm bad at like if someone asks me, I can't
देख रहा है.
translate.
Did you understand?
Guess कर रहा है
Yeah,
इसके बारे
this
में
time
क्या
I did.
सोचा है.
Okay, yeah, this actually made sense.
This actually made sense. Yeah.
Partially?
Thank you so much.
Wow. The bar is so low. The bar is so low. After you're done with this, I'm gonna make you try one thing. Are you? Oh wait, sorry. Yeah. Wait.
I'm not done with it.
Okay. Okay.
Want me to be done with it?
No. You want more fish? You look like a fish person.
I don't do nafra. Do you know what nafra is?
Oh yeah, nakrami.
Listen, why do I miss the goat? I didn't get to take a picture with the goat. I'm very upset with that.
So it's gonna be gold green, but we didn't.
Don't say that.
Someone else bought it and now it's gold green.
गोट के बारे में बोला
अभी भी
पिछले.
याद है
I'm
इसको.
mentioning, remember this person who sent you a huge text.
That was even difficult
ओह
for me to
गुड
read.
बिरयानी बना दिया है.
Come.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my god, he's here.
Mahim! Hi, Mahim. Come sit with us.
Oh.
वही लड़के का जो इंस्टाग्राम में इसने फॉलो किया था.
Come have a seat. Come eat with us.
He learned Urdu just for you.
Did you though?
Crazy.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much for that message.
Big fan.
It's beautiful.
ऑटोग्राफ देना है.
He showed it to me
Sorry.
earlier today.
Sorry.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So ChatGPT told me you like lassi, so I don't know. Yeah, ChatGPT said you like
बहुत
lassi.
बातें कर रहे हैं मेरे बारे में आजकल.
What?
Nothing. Never
So
mind.
on the first day, you were saying like you wanted to try Rajgulla. Rajgulla ta dao jabe?
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
This is
It's a
really
dream
good.
come true. I have something to say, guys. Excuse me, this camera, please give me a second. I have seen
दूध से
photos
बनते
of
हैं.
this and I've always wanted to have these. This is a dream come true. The ones we have in Pakistan are not like this. They're not dipped in Sheeta.
This is like the best. It's just the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you
You
very
want
much.
more water? Yeah.
Yes, please. If you're a righty, I wonder why you're doing it with your left hand.
Do you like
Be
it?
careful. I didn't try it yet, but like you're
जबरदस्त
dropping
लग रहा है
it,
ना?
like just like आपका अपना ही घर है.
True. Okay, you can be honest about one thing. So now you understand Urdu? No.
No, he doesn't. What did I have to do
कब
with
नहीं करे.
Oh, okay. You think I lack manners?
manners, as in like behaving nicely?
Yeah.
I think you should.
Wow. Bangladeshi hospitality. How are
ये
you?
इसके आनिया. वाओ.
Wait. मैं बेहोश होने लगी हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ सब बेहोश हो जाए. Yeah.
How is it? How is it? I know my food. I told you guys.
It's insane. It's crazy.
लग रहा है।
Give my bite.
जबरदस्त है।
Yeah. Bro, I told you it's gonna be good. Nice. It's good, right?
से बनता है ये।
हाँ।
Right? So this is a GI product of Bangladesh.
I love it.
Geographical
It's
indicator.
exactly how I thought it would be.
So we
मुझे
bought
भी
this.
यही
My
अच्छा
mom
लग
made
रहा है।
this, so now she's feeling a bit insecure. That's
Yeah,
why
yeah,
she
yeah.
brought in
Yeah,
the
we'll have
tarka.
it. No, you know what? I've seen this in movies, right? And they look so appetizing, and I'm like, we don't get these here. And I've tried to find these everywhere in Pakistan, and you don't get these ones.
These are so soft.
Now you're gonna post it on TikTok, aren't you?
Yeah, he's the one who's been posting it on
You're the one who
TikTok.
exposed us. You are the one who posted that video. I know it now.
And these. And can I tell you something? Each and every one, they're like, why are they calling me a wolf? Like a fox.
Is this gulab jamun?
Yeah.
They're so tiny and cute.
Thank you.
Can you send this?
This, yeah, you can take it. It's for you. You can take it. What did you like the most?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything was so yummy. Thank you so much for having us.
Oh no! It's
Look
my
at these
pleasure.
guys. They are glowing differently now. At least I know I am.
This is the food?
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Earlier today,
Yeah.
right? Ammo, act a second.
बिल्कुल।
Please, Ammo, if phone it to
Hello?
me, you cannot do that.
Hello,
You cannot.
assalamualaikum.
You can. Oh my.
Hello, assalamualaikum. How are you? Nice to speak to you. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Dhanyabad. No.
I showed you an older side of Dhaka
Yeah.
today, right? That's called Puran Dhaka.
Okay.
But I really want to show you a modern side of Dhaka.
Okay.
So I saw a few pictures of you in front of Times Square, New York. So we have our own little Times Square
Okay.
in Dhaka. Do you want to see it?
Yes, please.
For sure.
Yes, for sure.
Sure. Let's go.
Everyone say thank you, Rafsan.
What?
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Rafsan. Thank you so much. You don't have to say. We're saying it to you.
I wasn't saying it. Sorry,
Thank you so much for such a lovely dinner.
Thank you. It's all
so
my
much.
mom. Thank you.
You forced her to do this, I know.
No.
Obviously you did.
No.
Thank you for letting us in your home.
Oh no. Thank you.
so much. Of course I will.
So this part of the video, you guys already saw it because it got leaked all over social media. But this is our way of treating a guest.
So this is our Times Square, and we have a small surprise for you,
Oh, ढापा।
That is so cute.
right? But wait, there's more. Look.
रात का
Yeah.
व्यू बहुत जबरदस्त लग रहा है।
Oh.
Thank you so much. That is so cool.
Right?
That is really
Your
cool.
face is everywhere in Bangladesh.
मैंने किसके लगा हुआ है इसी का
That's
ही।
इसी का ही है ना?
Literally, welcome to
Surprising
Bangladesh.
है।
Thank you for having me.
No, thank you
you
for
all for
being.
having me.
लगवाया है।
Thank you for being such a nice sport. So yeah,
We're having fun.
we're having fun, and that is our awkward ending.
जबरदस्त भाई, जबरदस्त, मतलब बहुत जबरदस्त, कमाल की जो है ना मेहमान नवाजी, कमाल की मेहमान नवाजी। और जो व्लॉगर हैं वो भी बहुत जबरदस्त है, स्वीट है, नाइस है बहुत
नहीं
से।
ये सब छोड़ो, रसगुल्ला देख के पानी आ गया मुंह
मुंह में पानी आया, बिल्कुल।
ये जैसे आप दूध को फाड़ के वो बनाते हो ना,
हाँ।
इसी तरीके से इसको बनाते हैं। प्रोसेस यही है, इसको फिर
ये खाया है मैंने पाकिस्तान में, मगर इस जैसे वो सर्व किया हुआ था ना वैसे नहीं, बस ऐसे जस्ट रखा हुआ। क्या होता है वो जो
शीरी।
हाँ शीरी ना,
हाँ शीरी है।
हाँ जो
शीरी।
हाँ, तो उसके अंदर डिप हुआ मैंने नहीं खाया,
बहुत
वो
जबरदस्त
देख के
होता
ही जो है ना कुछ हो रहा था,
मेहमान नवाज कैसे
खाने को दिल चाह रहा था।
आप ये बताए बांग्लादेश के
बहुत जबरदस्त, बहुत जबरदस्त, बहुत ज्यादा। और जो रिस्पेक्ट दी है, मतलब घर पे इनवाइट करना, ये भी बहुत बड़ी
बात है।
रिस्पेक्ट है। तो बांग्लादेश ने तो बल्कि दिल जीत लिया। लव यू ऑल, लव यू। तो आज की वीडियो यहीं पर जो है ना हम वाइंड अप करते हैं। आई होप कि आपको भी ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी। तो मिलते हैं एक और नई,
लाइक सब्सक्राइब फॉलो जरूर करना,
कमेंट भी जरूर कीजिएगा कैसी लगी आपको ये वीडियो।
हाँ, हम आपके कमेंट का इंतजार करेंगे। ओके गाइस,
और मिलते हैं एक और नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक तुम बहुत ख्याल रखें और हमें दें इजाजत। अल्लाह हाफिज।
बाय बाय।